My name is Damaris and welcome to the Learning Centre. The Learning Centre is a support service for all students at the college. There are a number of different services that you can use free of charge. For example, part-time courses for English language learners and those who want to develop their study skills.
I decided to attend the part-time courses because it helps me to improve my academic writing.
I felt what I was able to apply was to help organize more on my planning and as well as the writing, and as well like getting new ideas with not just from teachers but as well from like different sources.
Also, workshops on various academic topics such as mindset, creativity, essay writing and presentation skills.
Yes, I recommend to all students in LASALLE to join workshops because it's free. And then you get more new friends, new ideas, and then it helps you to grow, especially you become rich about your knowledge.
If you would like one-to-one advice about your academic writing, you can make an appointment for a drop-in session with the Learning Centre staff.
I would definitely recommend students to sign up for the drop-in session because it helps you to get that block, which I feel that writing is a challenge. So it helps you to clear your doubts and you get that one-on-one time.
The drop-in session specifically helps me focus on structuring my work and also being more critical in my analysis and everything.
Or, if you prefer to work with a peer, you can see a writing assistant at the Writing Hub.
Hopefully the benefits that students gain from this writing assistant, they get pointed towards the right resources that we have in the Learning Centre as well as on the Learning Portal, and they are hopefully able to communicate better about their ideas and their writing and then translate it into their writing itself.
So during the session, I actually discussed about what are the strengths and the weakness of my essays, and she also helped me to discard the parts that she feels that is actually weakening my arguments.
If you want to find out more information, look out for posters, emails, or take a look at the Learning Portal. We look forward to seeing you soon.